we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German composer and organist. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting but so often mispronounced names from music as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. How do you say it? For reference, in German, this is said as Pachelbel, Pachelbel. In English, however, it is normally pronounced as Pachelbel, Pachelbel, from German, Pachelbel. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more illustrious names from music that so many mispronounce. But you won't in a short while. Once you watch those, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.